Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of coffee with the best coffee balls available in the market, Illy Drip Coffee. Let's get started. The Illy Drip Coffee is a premium ground coffee made from 100% Arabica beans. It comes in a Classico medium roast with notes of caramel, orange blossom, and jasmine. This coffee is known for its mild and balanced flavor profile, making it a perfect choice for coffee lovers looking for a smooth and aromatic cup. The Illy Drip Coffee is made in Italy, ensuring the highest quality standards in coffee production. The 8.8-ounce packaging is perfect for keeping the coffee fresh and flavorful. With no preservatives added, you can enjoy the natural aroma and taste of the coffee. Now, let's talk about the taste of this coffee. The Classico medium roast offers delicate notes of caramel, orange blossom, and jasmine, creating a rich and aromatic experience with every sip. The flavor is well balanced, with a mild acidity and bitterness, making it a perfect choice for any time of the day. Whether you prefer to brew your coffee in a drip machine or a pour-over, the Illy Drip Coffee provides a consistent and high-quality brewing experience. The 100% Arabica beans ensure a rich and smooth cup of coffee every time. In conclusion, the Illy Drip Coffee is a top-notch choice for coffee lovers who appreciate quality, flavor, and aroma in their cup of joe. With its premium ingredients and Italian craftsmanship, this coffee stands out as one of the best in the market. That's all for today's review of the Illy Drip Coffee. If you're a coffee enthusiast looking for a premium coffee experience, be sure to give this product a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products in the market. Until next time, happy brewing!